Okay, so one of you wanted to know, how do you make a man stay once you help him build? You just have to continue to help him maintain what he's built. That's essentially it. So the only way you can do that is by consistently develop yourself as a pure feminine woman and know how dating and relationships actually work and apply that knowledge. Yeah, that's the only way. All right. Um, so if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of Akabuda and Trust, you will get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a thoroughbred, well, a pure feminine woman, and on top of that, you learn exactly how dating and relationships actually work. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss on our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.